Okay, here I'm at City Center Market on the second floor. I stopped by to get lunch. Let's see here at this place. It's called Korea Barbecue. The amount was like $15.25. It's over at 3500 West 6th Street on the second floor, and I picked some. It's called Gummy Noodles, but it comes with vegetables and side dishes, so it looks pretty appetizing. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in and try eating it and see how it is. Basically what I had to do is I had to mix everything together, and it comes out like this. And then of course I put the sauce on top of it. It's kind of spicy, so let's see how it tastes. Alright, let me see how it tastes. It's got a combination of noodles. Pretty good. Tastes pretty good. Really nice. It says in English this is called gummy noodles, but I don't know what the name is in Korean. Spicy gummy noodles. I'll have to find out what the Korean name is. But vegetables and everything. What I really like about this is it has amazing amount of mixed vegetables, like carrots, lettuce, bean sprouts. So it's very healthy. If you're a vegan, I think this would be appropriate to eat. The only thing that may not be good would be the half-boiled egg, but everything else should be okay. There's no meat. Well, I finished it. I ate all of it. It was really good. There's the place where I ordered from. A little pricey, but the food was good. I like the fact that it's had a lot of vegetables, so I would definitely give it like on a scale of 1 to 5, probably a 5.